Econ teachers, this is Jacob Clifford. I want to wish you a happy new year. I'm making this video to give you a quick update of the things I'm working on in 2026, so let's jump into it. Update number one, my PowerPoints for AP Economics are finally updated and done. This was a super difficult job. I started updating them last semester, but I didn't quite get done with it. I got units 1 and 2 done, and units 5 and 6 done a little later, but now I finished units 3 and 4. They're all set to go for microeconomics and macroeconomics. Basically, I took my old PowerPoints and revamped them, made them look nicer, but I added more teaching strategies, more activities, more teaching tips, and a lot more practice. If you teach AP Micro or Macro, you need these PowerPoints. They cover everything you need to know. It's just plug and play. This is what you're teaching with a ton of practice. They're inside my teacher resources. Remember, my teacher resources include PowerPoints, assignments, quizzes, multiple choice questions, and activities. And the best part, there's no annual license. Once you buy the teacher resources, you have them for the rest of your teaching career. And instead of having a big zip folder like I used to, download this big zip folder, now I have it on my website so I can add things and make changes. To access them, go to ultimatereviewpacket.com, log in and click on my dashboard on the very top. There's a different course for microeconomics and macroeconomics. That's where you can download the new updated PowerPoints. So all the units are there to download, but I need your help. Anytime I make resources, there's always gonna be little mistakes here and there, little bugs. I need your help finding them. For those of you that use the new updated PowerPoints first semester, please do me a favor. If you spotted any spelling mistakes or content errors, anything, let me know right now. Send me an email, say, hey, Jacob, make sure to change this, and I'll be sure to upload all the updated versions. A lot of these are small things, but there was a pretty important one when it came to a spending multiplier and a macro PowerPoint. Sometimes I miss stuff. Actually, let's have some fun with this. If you see any mistakes in my PowerPoints, whether it's spelling or content errors, send me a message. If it's something I haven't seen yet, I'll put your name on a list, then I'll have a drawing and send you a personalized gift. In about 3 or 4 weeks, I'll send out an update saying the new updated PowerPoints are done, they're finished, they're all ready to go. You can download them all then if you want to wait. Again, I already went through them with a fine-tooth comb, but there might be a few mistakes here and there. Let me know if you spot any. Now, if you want to see my updated PowerPoints or any of my resources, I give out free teacher trials. There is a sample you can get right now for all of Unit 1, including all of the worksheets for Unit 1. Just follow this link. It'll give you access to a bunch of free stuff you can use in the classroom. Update number 2, I want to tell you the next thing I'm working on, which is my Nearpods. My Nearpods come with my worksheets, and they're really associated with my old PowerPoints, but I'm going to fix that and set them up so they look more like the new PowerPoint. So I'll be working on those. Stay tuned. And that also goes with my standard teacher resources for regular standard economics. I'm going to be adding those PowerPoints as well, updating them, making sure they look like the new versions. Again, give me a few weeks. I'm updating those right now. Okay, update number 3, I just posted the dates for my summer AP Econ workshops. As you know, I have 2 different types of workshops. There's the in-person workshops here in San Diego, California. There's also the Economics Online Institute if you can't come to San Diego, and they're both amazing. The Online Institute really focuses on teaching the material and learning the content, helping you as a teacher navigate how to teach this class. The in-person workshop focuses on strategies and activities. The assumption is you've taught the course at least once or twice. Now, how do you get your class excited about learning AP Econ? We spend 2 days on microeconomics and 2 days on macroeconomics. All we're doing is talking about strategies and running activities you can use in your classroom. I promise you a great experience. Plus, I live in San Diego, so you can do this workshop with me and then go to the beach, hang out, and work it into your family vacation. The 4th and final update, stay tuned for a video that's going to be introducing AP Business with Personal Finance. Right now, I'm working on teacher resources and videos to help you teach that course. It's pretty darn amazing. Stay tuned. Okay, that's it for updates. Again, I want to wish you a happy new year. Thank you for checking out my resources and watching my videos. Till next time.